activities, so to start, as soon as the project planning and inception phase begin, QA should be involved in reviewing the requirements, user stories, and participating in all technical discussions, and provide the feedback from quality engineering point of view and customer perspective. This allows QA team to become an integral part of product team and help in preventing the defects that may arise in the later stages. If those defects are found in the later stages, it may of course lead to higher cost to the company. So it is very essential to get QA involved from the very initial phase of product development.